This video I will guide you how to remove on-screen keyboard from laptop. So for this you need to press the Windows key plus I to open the settings. Click on the ease of access and on the left side click on the keyboard. And you need to switch off the use your device without a physical keyboard. Use the on-screen keyboard. Make it turn on, it will appear on the screen immediately, and when you toggle it off, it will disappear. If you are seeing that a small keyboard icon on your taskbar that brings up a touch keyboard, when clicked on, you can hide it immediately. So right click anywhere on the empty space on your taskbar and uncheck the show touch screen keyboard button, and it will remove from the taskbar. And if you want to bring it back, click on again and it will be reappeared. If you want to know the keyboard shortcut to toggle it, so press the Windows key Ctrl key plus O at the same time to instantly turn the on-screen keyboard on and off. Again press Windows key Ctrl key and plus O, it will be disappeared immediately. Or simply you can close the on-screen keyboard by clicking this cross. Make sure to turn off or remove the on-screen keyboard from your laptop screen. The method depends on whether it keeps popping up automatically at startup or if you just need to close it right now. So this way you can easily remove on-screen keyboard from laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.